Good evening. I'm State Assemblywoman Jennifer Rajkumar. It's a very special night because I'm here with the Muslim Officers Society, and they represent over 3,000 Muslim American law enforcement officers. We are so proud of them and their service to our city. They are New York City's finest. And today, I have the pleasure of honoring the incoming president of Muslim Officers Society. He's a great friend of mine and a great friend to our community. He's none other than our very own Captain Waheed Akhtar. And today I'm presenting him with a special New York State proclamation in honor of everything he has done to protect our city. And the proclamation says, New York State honors Captain Waheed Akhtar, whereas Captain Waheed Akhtar is an exemplary law enforcement professional. And whereas as Captain of Transit Bureau District 23, Waheed Akhtar safeguards millions on one of the largest transit systems in the world. As an inspirational trailblazer, Waheed Akhtar made history as the first Pakistani-American captain in the NYPD. Let's give him a round of applause for that achievement. Whereas Waheed Akhtar is the 2025-26 president of the NYPD Muslim Officers Society, where he fosters a vibrant Muslim American community in law enforcement and brings diversity to the profession. Whereas the entire Pakistani community takes pride in Waheed Akhtar. And whereas Waheed Akhtar is also a loving husband and father. Whereas a native of Pakistan, Captain Waheed Akhtar has lived the American dream. So now therefore be it proclaimed, in view of all of his outstanding achievements on this special day, New York State honors him with this proclamation. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. First and foremost, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is really an honoring moment for me, for the Pakistani community, for Muslim community that we have gathered here tonight. First, I would like to thank Brother Ahsan for hosting such a great evening at this time, and all honorable guests who have come over here to support me, to support NYPD Muslim Officers Society, and our own Assemblywoman Jennifer Rajkumar. Thank you so much for being with us. Our mission is only one, and one is to just uplift our membership and safeguard our communities along with every other community. Bridge the gap between law enforcement and just bring a real image of Muslim community among all other communities with the United States, worldwide, and tell them like what really Muslims mean, how they live the life, and how they lead an exemplary life, be a role model for everyone. So it's an honor, it's a good responsibility, it's a big responsibility that I have taken upon myself, and I have no doubt I have a support of my Pakistani community, not only Pakistani community, I have a support of all Muslim community within NYPD and in New York City. So we have taken an oath to protect and serve, not over here, everywhere in the US, and we take a pride in our faith also. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.